Now we move to the next question. This again an image based question. This just tells you how important images are. They will put it in every question that they ask in dermatology, in every exam. Be very vigilant on your approach to these image based questions as well as your OPD postings. So blister pack is shown. Where is it used? I am sure if you can answer that, this is a relatively easy question. See, blister packs are used in leprosy treatment, they are used in TB treatment, they are used in STD, they are used in HIV. In every 4 of these illnesses, blister packs are given to the patient, right? So the question here is asking you to identify this particular blister pack where that is used, right? If a patient with STD comes to me, I will give her the kit. We have the NACO kits, the genital ulcer, the genital discharge, bubo, cervical discharge kit. I have kits. I will give that kit to the patient. A TB patient goes to the RNTCP center, he will get a blister pack which he has to consume. HIV patient also gets proper bottles of ART. Leprosy patient also gets kits. So all these 4 will get it, but you identify this kit. Now, this kit has 3 medicines in it, you can make out. One are these long ones, one is this white and one is this short one. So identify that this has 3 medicines. This is separate, this is separate. So it has a monthly medicine plus it has a daily dose. So this is what this image tells you. One is white, one is red, that's it. So which of these 4 has such a kit where you give monthly doses to the patient and you give them daily treatment? That is only seen in leprosy. So that will help you identify this question here. So this is the leprosy treatment. What MB, MDT, adult. MB, MDT, adult. Okay, this is what you will see here. What does it show you? This shows you monthly rifampicin 600 mg, clofazimine 300 mg and dapsone 100 mg. So this is what it is showing you. And then you have this clofazimine and dapsone daily, which the patient will have. MBMDT for adult to be given for 12 months in multibacillary leprosy. I have an image to show you. Any question that you get, you not only have to remember the kit, you also have to remember the color. Okay, you have to remember the color also. Just one thing you remember, in leprosy, depending it is multibacillary MDT or it is paucibacillary MDT. In multibacillary MDT, there will be monthly rifampicin plus clofazimine plus dapsone, and it will be daily clofazimine plus dapsone to be given for 12 months. In PBMDT, it will be monthly rifampicin plus dapsone, while daily will be only dapsone to be given for 6 months. So this is what you have to remember. Remember the color of the kit. This is, both of these are there in adult and child. Adult and child. So remember this, that in this only daily dapsone is given in PBMDT. Now we come back to the kit. Look at this kit. This is the MDT regimen. This is for adult This is for child. So a green is PB adult, red is MB adult, and similarly a blue is PB child and orange is MB child. So just remember the color of the kits. Okay, remember the color of the kits. That can be asked to you. Important in PSM also, important in pharmacology and dermatology. Everywhere they can ask you this. Green, red, blue, orange. Okay? Clear? So this is actually rag, and this is BCO. Just remember these two things, rag and BCO. You will not forget it. Clear to you? Yes? Good.